Hello, today we will guide you through how to add someone to email thread Gmail. If you need to include another person in an existing Gmail conversation, one simple way to do it is by forwarding the full thread. This helps the new recipient see the full context of the discussion instead of only receiving a single message. In this walkthrough, we'll show you exactly how to do that from your Gmail inbox. Start by opening Gmail and going to your inbox. From here, you'll want to locate the email conversation you want to share. If the message was one you previously sent, you can click into the Sent folder to find it more quickly. You can also look for the sample email or the specific thread you want to work with in your message list. Once you've opened the email thread, look for the three-dot menu inside the message window. This menu contains additional actions for the conversation. Click the three dots to open the list of options. From that menu, choose Forward All. This option is important because it includes the entire conversation thread, not just a single reply. That makes it especially useful when you want to bring someone new into the discussion and make sure they have the full background. After selecting Forward All, Gmail will open a new Compose window or forwarding panel with the conversation included. In the recipient field, enter the email address of the person you want to add to the thread. Be sure to type the address carefully so the message goes to the correct person. If needed, you can quickly double-check it before moving on. At this point, Gmail may also allow you to review the forwarded content. It's a good idea to take a brief look through the message before sending or saving, especially if the thread contains details you want the new recipient to see clearly. Since you're forwarding the full conversation, this can help prevent confusion and reduce the need for extra follow-up. When you're done entering the recipient information, go to the bottom and click Save. This stores your update so you can keep it in place and continue from there as needed. And that's it. You've successfully added someone to an email thread in Gmail by using the Forward All option. This is a helpful method whenever you need to loop someone in and provide the full conversation history in one place.